Welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing a shop with me at the World Market. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to tell you I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for that month. And so I am very excited. Remember, they're open collaborations. I am personally inviting you all to join in these collabs. They're so much fun. Now, I am absolutely loving World Market. So they do have so many things here that are absolutely beautiful. They are a little bit on the pricey side, but I love this store. They do also have imported foods and their dinnerware and all of their kitchen stuff and their furniture. Everything is of the utmost quality. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.